Holiday spice with heat. This is not your store-bought gingerbread spice. This is homemade gingerbread spice with cayenne pepper. Hi, I'm Bjorn from Allspice. We're all about tasty food made easy. Alright, let's get to it. In a mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, then add 2 tablespoons ginger, 1 tablespoon of cloves, 1.5 teaspoon cardamom, half a teaspoon coriander, half a teaspoon allspice, a quarter teaspoon nutmeg, and a quarter teaspoon cayenne pepper. And then mix the ingredients really well. Aside from gingerbread cookies, what do you use your gingerbread spice for? Let us know in the comments. These ingredients will give you about 8 tablespoons or half a cup of spice blend. And there you have it, a gingerbread spice blend with a kick. Share this video with someone you know would love this recipe. I'm Bjorn from Allspiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.